Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos at home with roti. First, gather your ingredients: fresh or frozen roti, your preferred cheese, and any desired toppings like salsa, beans, or jalapenos. We will begin by preparing the roti to achieve that perfect crispy texture, then move on to assembling and baking your delicious creation. This method offers a fantastic alternative to traditional tortilla chips, providing a unique flavor and satisfying crunch. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your roti and cut each one into 8 triangular pieces, similar to how you'd slice a small pizza. Lightly brush both sides of these roti triangles with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil or a neutral cooking oil. Then, arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they don't overlap, which helps them crisp evenly. Once your roti chips are golden and crisp, after baking for about 8 to 10 minutes, remove them from the oven. Now, it's time to assemble your nachos. Arrange the crispy roti chips on a fresh baking sheet. Sprinkle a generous 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded cheese evenly over the chips. Then, add your desired toppings, like seasoned black beans, corn, or finely diced tomatoes, ensuring good coverage for every bite. Finally, return your assembled nachos to the preheated oven. Bake them for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted, bubbly, and perhaps slightly browned around the edges. Once they're perfectly gooey and hot, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. Serve your delicious roti nachos immediately with your favorite accompaniments, such as a dollop of sour cream, fresh guacamole, or a vibrant salsa. Enjoy this unique and tasty treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.